Greetings friends, today we're going to learn how we can install RabbitMQ on a Windows machine. To install RabbitMQ on your Windows machine, the first thing that you need is to install the Erlang so that you can run the RabbitMQ. While downloading, make sure that you download this binary file and choose whatever operating system is most suitable for your machine. I will be downloading this 64-bit binary file. While this file is downloading, let's download the RabbitMQ. When you reach the RabbitMQ install window, all you need to do is scroll down and install the GitHub recommended version. Now let's wait for this download to get completed and I will join you soon. As we can see that the download for both RabbitMQ and Erlang is complete, so we will start our installation process. The first thing that we need to install is Erlang. For this, I'll simply open the executable file and let the setup do its thing. Just click on yes and then go through a simple procedure of clicking next. The installation will start automatically and that will be all that you need to do in order to install Erlang into your system. Once the installation is complete, simply close the setup window and click on RabbitMQ. Your system might give you a warning, but simply run the setup and click on next. Keep the destination folder to default and let the setup run its course. Then click on next and then click on finish to end the wizard. Once the installation process is complete, click on Windows button and then open the RabbitMQ command prompt. Here you need to use the following command. I have already run this command, thus I have gotten this result. However, you might get a different result here. Now let's just open localhost and open the following port number 15672. When I open this, it might ask me to log in which case the credentials will be guest and guest as ID and password. With that, the installation process for RabbitMQ is complete. Thank you.